Hello everyone and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create AI generated images using the TensorArt AI. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So first, you will need just to access or to go to the tensor.art website. After that, you can just sign into your account and click on sign in to have your own account, or you can just join their Discord. Otherwise, you can just start creating your images directly even without signing up. So basically, we will need just to click on create, and of course, we have many modes. There are the classic mode, real-time generate, etc. So we can just click on create, sign in, so we can save our results. And I'm just going to choose this account, continue, and basically we will be able to create our or to generate our AI images. So basically now we can start go just to the classic mode, and here you choose your own model and basically just go for the stable diffusion, which is like the basic model, and there are many other models, for example, to have more results to follow this one or just to resemble to this one, or for example this pastel mix, etc. So basically, I'm just going to select this one, and I'm just going to start my prompt. You can have your negative prompts, and you can see those are some negative prompts that you can try, etc. So basically, let's just go for this prompt, for example, happy corgi running in forest. And then I will just choose any aspect ratio that I want. You can have those fixed at this point, and you click generate, and we will start waiting for the AI to start generating our image. So basically, we will wait until the results show, and we will save it on our account or only on this platform. So as you can see, this is our image, and then you can either save it, you can start generating more others, and start enhancing your prompt by adding text, by adding more prompts. You can add some negative prompts to rectify or to correct the image, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.